Did you hear that backfire? Oh my god! Ooh, baby, it's hot. It's 38 degrees today, Celsius. We got our assistant finally that joined us. Very nice. Oh my god, our car's dirty again. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, like, comment, and subscribe. As always, you can automatically enter yourself into a giveaway. More of the information is on this video right here. Just click it, inform yourself. It's one of my best videos too if you want to check it out. Today, we're finally doing the VRSF downpipe install. I'm super excited. Are you excited, Mir? You're excited? Super duper. Then in an upcoming video, we're gonna also tune it, drive it, and give you guys my review, basically.
Hi guys, so this is what Julian's car sounds like before he installs his downpipes. Look how dirty it is.
Hey, whoa, I just haven't had the chance to clean it.
You showed them my dirty car, now you get to see your dirty car. Look how dirty.
Listen, in my defense, I didn't get a chance to clean it, and it's just...
Excuses.
Hey.
Dirty.
I'm ready.
Look at his outfit, guys.
Okay, again, in my defense, it's because I'm gonna get really dirty. So, like, this is a Nike shirt I found from when I was...
Beautiful.
I found this from when I was 10. It's pink.
Still fits.
It does. This is when I was... This is my prime. This was high school, and I thought I was cool. Like, this is it, bro. Okay?
Love it.
Yeah. So let me get this straight. You talked all that and now you're cleaning your car.
At least I'm cleaning it.
You're my assistant. You have to clean my car. No? Okay. As she does that, as she cleans her little dirty, and by dirty I mean like...
Okay, I just
she's... No. I don't care what you say.
5 days ago.
What do you live in a
construction site?
Well, they don't have to know that.
Julie, shut the water off, it's overflowing.
Anyways, as she cleans her car up, I'm gonna jack it up, put on jack stands, and we should be ready to start this whole process. So this is the VRSF catalyst downpipes for my N55, and luckily for me, these are ceramic coated. If not, you could use my link 19 to get them ceramic coated by Avalon King. Save yourself 25 bucks. Actually super worth it. But anyways, these, let me show you, super nicely packaged. It comes with the gasket, the new gasket that you're gonna need. Actually a lot heavier than you would have thought for this to be, but this is the downpipe that we're installing. There's no cat. It also comes with the new bolts and whatever that you're gonna have to do. Super cool. I'm really excited. I just happened to pull my back, so I'm gonna maybe do this tomorrow. So you're gonna see me in a different change of clothes. Hopefully something less 10-year-oldy. But if not, you know. So yesterday we kind of ended prematurely because my back started hurting a lot. I had to actually stop for the whole day. Now what I'm gonna do, because all this is gonna have to come off, right? So all of this, because I'm gonna have to get the O2 sensors that are here. So what I'm gonna start doing is taking off all the under tray with 8mm bolts. There's probably 27,000 bolts, but we're gonna take them all off so that I could spray some PB blaster on the nuts of the downpipe that are right around here. As the PB blaster is going to be doing its thing, I'm gonna come up top, and here I'm gonna disassemble everything. So I'm gonna put you guys in a time lapse, and let's get to it. So this is completely off. I know one wire is great, one isn't, but whatever. I put this one blue in tape, and I matched the same exact one in blue tape as well, so I know 100% where each one goes. So we got that huge tray out that was covering the transmission over here. They're not even bolts anymore, they're just studs at this point. There's like a bracket. Can you see the bracket in the middle? There's that third bolt up there for the bracket, but that is pretty hard on there, so that's not coming out. This thing is humongous, and it looks like it's gonna be a pain. The O2 sensors I dropped down so that when I'm able to pull the cat out, I'm gonna be able to just pull them on, and whatever, I'll deal with that later. But for now, let's try to somehow get these bolts out. Alright, so here's an update. I managed to get all 4 of the exhaust bolts off that were from the lower portion of the downpipe using that air tool. One of them I kind of like sheared off enough that it broke in half. And then I was doing it on the other ones and they didn't break in half, but it was enough to shake the whole pipe free. The bolts are still on the downpipe, but at least they're completely disconnected from the rest of the exhaust. My last bolt is, there's like a bracket that holds on the downpipe to secure it in place, I guess. That bracket won't even be used for the VRSF downpipe, so I'm trying to take it off. I'm stuck with one bolt left, and then I have the V clamp to take off, which from what I see looks really good. I can access it from the wheel well-ish, from like the front almost. Boom, the one right in the middle. I can't get it off. It looks like it's really easy to get to, but it's not. I assure you, it is like stuck on there. I think it's a 13 mil. I'm pretty sure it's that. But yeah, there's progress being made. So far, so good. Just got that long bolt off. Look how long this bolt is. Like, were they scared the downpipe was gonna fall off? Okay, so this might be it. A small victory. I'm gonna let you guys listen into exactly what I'm talking about. I have no idea if you guys could see anything at all, but just understand that this extension is at least 2 feet long. I have a swivel socket and a 13 at the end, and I have to come in at such an angle to get the V-band off, but we're getting somewhere. The bolt finally came off for the V-clamp. Now my next hurdle is getting a way to separate the front part of the V-band from it being mated onto the turbo, because it's super hot and metal on metal, it kind of bonds a little bit. Pretty sure I'm gonna have to remove the inner portion of the exhaust where it's held on, like pretty much smack in the middle of the car, because I need to move the exhaust down a bit so that I could take out the downpipe from that. Literally, it's like 5 inches wide, the hole, and it's super tight. Tight like your first girlfriend. I'm gonna set you guys down and we're gonna just smash it out. I got it out. That whole center beam I removed, so now the exhaust literally, like, it dangles enough, I think, to get the downpipe off, because the second I removed the clip holding on the rear, I think, O2 sensor, the whole downpipe just fell off from the turbo. This is monumental, so I had to turn the camera on, even though the battery's really, like, it's almost dead. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna get to pulling it out. Oh my god. I might have destroyed this. Wow. I'm so tired. But anyways, it's finally out. I'm almost certain that this is destroyed. Anyways, let's get to swapping these O2 sensors. Post-cat, so downstream, O2 sensor went on flawlessly, came off easy, went in easy. The upstream O2 sensor was rust welded, completely shut to the OEM one. This is what I mean when I say rust welded. There's no more threads. This piece at BMW is $370 Canadian. And no matter what I did, this just now the threads are just completely destroyed at this point. So what I did is I hopped onto Amazon and I actually found this really cool kit. It's a universal type of oxygen sensor that it comes with these clips or whatever that you can mate it back onto your original one that came off the car. So this product, along with everything else, like I've already said, is going to be in the description box below. It was not expensive. It was $83 instead of the $370 that it costs from BMW. But over here, there's actually a video and it explains to you in depth how to do everything. So I'm going to follow that video and let's get to fixing this for cheap. So this is my little contraption. This is the piece that connects everything together and makes it all watertight in here, so that's super cool. I put some zip ties here with the old mesh thing, whatever it's called, the rubberized thing, so that it's a bit of heat shielding, whatever. But this is the old connector. This is the new one, and at the tip of this, on the threads, it actually comes with anti-seize, so that's super, super nice. This is like day 8 at this point. I don't even know. It's been a week. I got the part, installed it yesterday. Now we're gonna reinstall it back onto the downpipe. Today is the last day. It is getting started today. So let's reinstall all this and start this bit. If you were wondering what these strings were, it's so that I could attach these O2 sensor wires to it so I could pull them up so I don't have to worry about it after. Alright, now let's leave these loose so I could wiggle the top of the downpipe if I have to. And let's secure that V-band like before. The bolt is in as much as I possibly physically can. Now what's left is to hop right back under the car and reinstall the exhaust, tighten up the bolts that are connected to the rest of the back of the downpipe. The O2 sensors are already connected. We're actually really close to startup. I'm super excited. I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like the second I turn it on. I'm so excited. That is not going anywhere, and I'm not going to have any exhaust leaks. Or at least I better not. I hope not. What's this? Oh, this piece. It's gonna be really loud. I'm actually kind of scared. Car's down. Everything is completely reassembled. I'm so nervous that this is gonna be excruciatingly loud because it's like aiming towards the inside of my house. Oh my god, okay. I thought it was gonna be louder. Maybe I have an exhaust leak. Whew. That sounds good. This is loud. Did you hear that backfire? Oh my god. Oh, I messed up the exhaust a bit. It's a bit off, but we're gonna fix that soon, I guess. Oh yeah, we are gonna fix that soon. It smells like a mix of go-karts and like just something's burning. Yeah, it smells like burning metal, legit. Okay, let's go for a drive. Alright, so I just spoke to my tuner. He told me to put it in map 2. So I did just that. Now, let's go for a drive and see how wild this thing is. thing is a rocket. Oh my god. Oh man, 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 oh man. I almost killed that guy.
Can't really say that on video.
Wow, which guy? They don't know. You smell that? I think that's my brakes, I'm not even sure. Alright, so the downpipe is fully installed. I want to thank Mashimaro. Oh, and by the way, if you guys want a discount code, you save yourself 7%. There's really no discount codes when you want to get a VRSF downpipe like this. So if you use 19 at mashimaro.com, you could get 7% off. It's not much, but it definitely helps. It's much more than you were ready to pay full price if you want to do this yourself. Anyways, the whole install is done. I didn't go fully in depth, or I don't think I did, but I hope this helps. I hope this inspired someone to do this, or inspired someone to go pay someone to do this, because Jesus, it was not easy. Car sounds great. The higher RPMs, I finally hear the car. It's not as mean or growly as I thought it would be, because same engine on a 435 sounds ridiculous. Muffler delete and downpipe, catalyst downpipe like this sounds ridiculous. So maybe it's that exhaust leak that I'm hearing, but anyways. Oh, and another thing, there was like smoking coming from the front of the car, like from the grills, like right up here. So I don't know what that's all about. I don't know if that's normal. I know that it's supposed to smoke because it's brand new, but I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to drive what drives you up. We catch you guys all in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hotter. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died, it only